This is also a very interesting and exciting feature of Stockburst. It's the inbound stock. We use this function right here to receive stock that you have purchased or imported. This is a very important function to calculate your landed cost for all your products as you run your business. You might find that some days, because of the current exchange rate or other factors, you will have a different landed cost for the same product. We will then go ahead, take the total quantity of that product with your landed cost, and then calculate an average landed cost. And that will update on your product sheet. So let's get started with an example of starting an inbound stock movement. We'll click here on the options and we will say add inbound stock. Okay. First of all, we will have an inbound reference. So let's just call this one tester 001. Status we will leave as not started. Stock location is where the stock will be received. Then we have our shipment type, local or international. It's important to select the correct option here. So the only two options, local buy, international import. So with local buy, that will be products that you have purchased locally within South Africa. And then international import obviously is products that you are importing. So let's say international imports. Then we have shipment type, prices entered, VAT inclusive or not. So this is to indicate whether the prices you enter into your Excel sheet that we will get to shortly, whether those prices include VAT or not. So let's say it's an international import. Obviously, we're not paying VAT to our international suppliers. So we will say the prices we will be entering is VAT exclusive. Supplier, we still have no suppliers loaded, so we'll keep that blank, but you can select your supplier of this specific purchase. Shipment estimated time of arrival. So if maybe you are using a courier service or your supplier has promised you a date for your product, you can select it over here. And this date will automatically be added to your calendar for you. Okay, once you have received your stock, let's say this is an international import, you have obviously paid import VAT and duties on your shipment. So we will say that, for instance, we have paid 300 Rand VAT and 250 Rand duties. And then our shipping total will be the rest of your invoice. So if you deduct your VAT and duties and just put down what you have paid to your shipper, let's say in this case it was 800 Rand to get these products to us. Shipment method, you can choose by air, by sea, or by land. So we'll say by air in this case. And then VAT only paid on date. This will be the date that you have actually paid VAT on the purchase of these products. So for local buy, that will be the date that you purchase the products, or for international, that is the date that you need to pay, let's say DHL, for the VAT and duties. So let's also make this the 27th. And let's save this inbound movements. Okay. Now at the bottom, you will see product list. Let's click on product list. And at the moment, you have created your inbound shipment, but you have not stated which products you will be receiving. So on this button on the right, we can say add product. So you can add one product at a time, or you can use the import function that will download an Excel sheet to do a bulk import of all the incoming products. And then after we've imported the products, we will use the scan pick products once they have arrived to your warehouse to count the products that you are expecting. So in this case, let's rather use the import function. Let's click on import. Click here to download the template. There we go. Inbound stock template. Okay, so here we have our bulk Excel inbound stock sheet. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we enter our first line of information or data starting from the solid box in line number 3. So if you are expecting inbound products for something you're already selling, so let's say you have the listing on Stockburst and on Takealot, it's very important to enter the correct SKU. So for our first product on this inbound sheet, we will enter the SKU of an existing product we have. So let's just go ahead. That product is MS00521HB. Okay. Because we know that this is an existing product, there is no need to enter a product title, as we will pull through the product title and most of the information like weight and duties from your existing product on Stockburst. So we will leave the product title blank, as there's no need to fill that out. But if you want to fill it in, it won't make a difference. Then we have our unit price. So remember, with our inbound stock, when we open up this movement, we set that our price will be excluding VAT. So if I bought this product for $5 at 20 Rand to the dollar, then this unit price will be 100. There's no need to enter the barcode, as this will also be pulled through with the rest of the information based on the SKU. Then we've got quantity. So we will be receiving 10 of these products. Then there's no reason to enter quantity pieces, as this is only a reference for the sheet. So if you've watched the tutorial about the product information, we spoke about product pieces. So let's say that I'm buying 10 boxes of 10 lighters, and we have put 10 pieces in our product information. This quantity pieces will show up as 100, as we will be scanning and unpacking 100 pieces. But for now, there's no reason to, well, you will never have a reason to populate this field yourself. Then you can enter your weight in kilogram. This is just the weight and not the dimensions. This will only be used if you're busy filling out information for a new product, and the same with duties. This is an existing product, so we just need the SKU, the unit price, and the quantity. Okay, let's enter another SKU of another existing product. So the next one will be MS005TSB. They cost 120 Rand, and our quantity will be 5. Once again, no need for any of the other fields, as this is an existing product and we will automatically populate the information needed based on the SKU. Okay, but now for this importation, we are receiving a brand new product that we have not loaded onto Takealot yet, and it's also not added on Stockburst. So let's call this product Tester 001. The product title will be our test product. Our unit price will be 50. We can now add a barcode to this product, but it would be best to wait for Takealot to allocate a barcode to your product once you've loaded it, and then that will automatically update to your new product if you use the same SKU for your Takealot listing. When creating your Takealot listing, you will find the two products link automatically. Okay, so for now we will not enter a barcode. We will say that we are receiving 10 of our new products. Quantity pieces, never reason to fill that in. Weight, we can see according to our supplier that this product will weigh 0.5 kilogram, and we've got 10% duties on this product. Okay, also no reason to fill out anything in the ID column that is used for identification purposes for the application itself. So let's go ahead and save this file, inbound stock. There we go. Minimize this. Okay, back to our application, choose file, and now we will choose this inbound stock Excel sheet, and we will import that sheet. There we go. So immediately you can see that automatically the inbound has pulled through all the information for our first two listings, and then it's created a new product for our new listing right here, the test product. Okay, so right away we can see that we've got missing information on our products. You will not be able to confirm your inbound stock if you have missing information. The reason for this is to accurately calculate and allocate shipping cost to your product based on size before confirming your shipments and updating your landed cost. So let's say a week has passed and our shipment has now arrived. We now need to enter the details for our new product. So let's click on the test product, scroll down and say open product. There we go. So we have entered it's 0.5 kilogram. That's what the supplier said, but let's go ahead and weigh that again. And after weighing it, we see that the product is in fact only 400 grams. The width of the product is 10, the height is 10, and the length is 15. We can then go ahead and set our recommended retail prices, our selling prices, and also our HS codes and duties. Remember to also select pieces. So this product is coming in as one product and we are selling this as one product. So we'll say one piece. And we can also set our lead time. Let's just go ahead and enter recommended retail price is 600 and the selling price, let's say, is 500. And we can now save this. Save changes. If we go back to our inbound stock and we refresh this page, we will now find that there's no more missing information on this product. So let's go ahead and do the same with our other two products. Let's open this product. We've got no weight. Let's assume that this product is 1 kilogram. The width is 12, the height is 12, and the length is also 12. We've got our recommended retail price, we've got a selling price, and say it's also a one piece. Lead time days is 5, and we can save this product. Now we can refresh this page again, and you will see that now that product has no indicator to show any missing information. Let's do this for our last product. Open product. Let's assume this product is 200 grams. Well, let's make it 20 grams. Our width is 5 centimeters, height 5 centimeters, length 4 centimeters. We can go ahead and once again put in the HS code. We can put in our duties percentage. Let's say on this product the duties percentage was 20%. And our pieces, so let's say this product, for instance, we paid one price, 100 Rand, but we received 10 pieces of this product per quantity that we have purchased. So let's make the pieces 10. For one price I'm receiving 10 of the same product, and I will be selling them separately. So pieces will be 10. Let's save changes. Go back to our inbound stock. Refresh this page, and now we have no more missing info indicators right here. You'll also see on this product that we have selected we're getting 10 in one package. You will see that our quantity is 5, so we're receiving 5 boxes of 10 each, and now our quantity pieces is 50, 50. If we scroll on a bit, you'll see that for the time being we have scanned 0 of the products. We've got our unit price, we've got our total amount that we have now spent on this line item, unit weight, total weight for this line, and then already the software has gone and allocated shipping costs to every product based on its volumetric size or its actual weight. So at the moment we have a column here saying landed cost with that. So that will be your landed cost of the product, and it's also calculated your duties and VAT for those products. So because we selected that the prices we are inputting is excluding VAT, it has gone and calculated the VAT for us. Okay, so next up, now we are going to receive this product at our warehouse, and we want to double check that the supplier has indeed sent all the products that we need. Now we go back onto our mobile app, we go on Actions, Product List, and Scan. So once again, like the stock take, you can have multiple users receiving these boxes at your warehouse, everyone scanning at the same time. So let's say product list and scan. So it's giving you a list of the products, and then again we say scan, pick product. So let's go ahead and scan our first barcode. So we unpack the box and we see this specific barcode. Let's scan it. There we go. Now it's showing us we have our current quantity is 22. So within our warehouse, we can find this product because we have 22 in stock. Our inbound pieces that we are expecting is 50. And I have counted these products, I've put them on the shelf with the 22 other, and I can confirm that we have received 50. Let's record the product. Okay. Now let's say your supplier might have packed the same product in different boxes, and one of your other users comes across the same product. We will scan this product again. It'll give you a notification that this product has already been scanned, but we've got another box with 2 of them, so let's go ahead and enter quantity 2 and record the product. Okay, and then let's scan another one of these products. So I opened up another box, and here's some more products we can scan. Let's go ahead and scan this one. There we go. Showing we have got 47 in our warehouse. Currently, we're supposed to be receiving 10, and after counting them, I can see that they've only sent us 9 instead of 10. So let's go ahead and record that. There we go. So now we've got a new product with no barcode. So this product has arrived, it's got no barcode, but we still need to scan this product into the inbound. So this is now the tester product that we spoke about, which we said we need 10 quantity. So we can go ahead and search. When your product arrives, you'll obviously have an idea of the description or the SKU of the product. So in this case, we'll search the SKU. It's tester. There we see the product pops up. We can now select that product. We count the product. We say there's 10. Then we can record that product as well. There we go. When we are finished, we will go back to our desktop. Okay, here we are back on our desktop, and we can refresh our inbound shipments, where we can now see that we have scanned our products. And same as the stock take, we advise you to just go one step back to inbound stock, click on Actions, and download an inbound stock report. Let's go ahead and open that up. There we go. So immediately you can see the products that you were expecting, how many was scanned, and we've got a quantity difference column on the right showing you we have received 2 extra of the specific product, we received 1 less of the next product, and our last tested product we received the exact amount. So just a cool function to check up on the stock that you received and then maybe contact your supplier with any problems you have. Okay, while we're here on this page, you'll also see a breakdown. So if you are maybe the manager or the owner of your business and you have other users busy scanning your inbound stock, this is a good place to come and check how much or how many products they've scanned and how far along they are with receiving your inbound shipment. So here we can see our reference, our status is in progress, our location is the warehouse we're receiving the stock. Quantity expected is 25. Quantity pieces expected would be 70. We have scanned 71 products, seeing as that we received some extra of the 1 product. Then we have our shipping total. We've got our total imported weight. We've got a price per kilogram, and then our total spent. Also our total VAT and duties, duties paid, VAT paid, and then our total VAT and duties difference. So over here we can see that because it's an international importation, the numbers never line up exactly. And we have paid R8 more for VAT and duties than what we have expected. So this R8 will be split up between every piece of your product, and a little bit extra will be allocated to those products in the shipment to make up for the extra VAT and duties difference. If the VAT and duties difference is less, it'll obviously take the VAT and duties amount, split it up between your products, and minus the amount from your landed cost. So our employees or I myself have finished scanning all our products. We can now go and complete and update the products. Here we get a pop-up saying update product quantities and details with inbound stock details. So we want these new numbers to go live on Takealot immediately. We've just received our stock, it's ready to go. We want to start selling on lead time. So we can tick this box and complete. And as soon as you have completed this, you will see that all your stock numbers has been updated live on Takealot. So for now, that is all for the inbound stock page.